From a simple marking gauge to a powerful hand extruder, having the best tool by your side not only saves you valuable time, but also brings the best possible results. And to help you pick the best tools for the job, we've compiled a list of some tools that are brilliant award winners. Let's dive into this. Don't have a marking gauge? No problem. With the Wolfcraft marking gauge, you can easily transform a simple folding rule into a reliable marking gauge. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this durable and sturdy marking gauge is designed to deliver reliable results for various applications. One of its notable advantages is its quick and convenient installation. Users can easily slide the gauge onto their folding rule, securing it in place for stable and precise marking. This time-saving feature allows users to swiftly transition from measuring to marking, improving overall efficiency. Users can effortlessly set the desired measurement, ensuring well-guided parallel lines on the workpiece. This reliable reference ensures that the markings remain consistent, resulting in professional quality outcomes. Moreover, the integrated centering pin adds versatility to this marking gauge. It enables users to easily mark precise circular shapes, expanding the range of projects and designs that can be accomplished. Crafted for convenience and precision, the Melco adjustable sighting gauge is a must-have companion for any installer. This remarkable tool has been specifically designed to aid in the effortless installation of a wide range of lap siding materials, including popular options like fiber cement and LP smart siding. Its adjustable clamping mechanism ensures a secure hold for material thicknesses ranging from 5 by 16 inches to ½ inches, providing peace of mind during the installation process. Additionally, the adjustable reveal feature allows for proper positioning of the siding, with options ranging from 4 inches to 8 inches to ensure a flawless finish. Comfort is also at the forefront of its design, enabling users to hang siding all day long without strain or fatigue. Now, get introduced to the mighty BiWi heavy-duty tile breaking clamp, your ultimate companion for easily conquering those tough tiling challenges. With its robust construction and soft grip handle, this powerhouse tool ensures a comfortable and secure grip for maximum control. The adjustable wide pressing frame adapts effortlessly to various tile sizes, accommodating even those impressive large format tiles up to a formidable 15mm thickness. Notable for its ability to shatter the toughest tiles, this clamp fearlessly tackles even the most unyielding materials. Built with unwavering reliability and remarkable durability, the BiWi heavy-duty tile breaking clamp is a steadfast companion, ready to withstand the test of time and countless tiling projects. Introducing the remarkable Peacoat Grabber, your go-to solution for retrieving lost tools and clearing pipe blockages without the need for digging or demolition. With this handy tool, you can easily, precisely locate and grip objects using your CCTV camera. Using the Peacoat Grabber is a breeze. Just position it where you need it and rotate the grabbing head to secure a firm hold on the item. Then, turn on the air valve to get a strong grip and pull out the object. When you're done, simply turn off the air to release it. Say goodbye to costly and time-consuming methods. The Peacoat Grabber is your efficient and affordable ally in solving pipe problems and recovering misplaced tools. It's a simple yet powerful tool that streamlines your pipe clearing tasks and does the job effortlessly. The Mammut 50-80-ton jack is an excellent choice for professionals seeking a safe, user-friendly solution for lifting heavy machinery in earth-moving, construction, quarry, and mining operations. This hydraulic-operated jack boasts a dual descent valve, ensuring enhanced control while bearing weight, and an automatic piston return feature. Its lightweight and compact design makes it incredibly easy to handle and use, while the folding handle further facilitates convenient transport and storage. With its professional-grade construction and intuitive features, it's an indispensable tool for maintenance tasks that demand expertise and precision. Overall, the Mammut 50-80-ton jack provides a safe, user-friendly, and efficient solution for lifting. Want a high-quality hand extruder? Look no further than the Leister WeldClass 600. This tool is specifically designed for plastic welding in tanks and containers. With an impressive output of 13.2 pounds per hour, this extrusion welder offers exceptional performance for welding large objects made of polyethylene and polypropylene. Its double-sided rod intake adds to its flexibility, allowing for efficient welding in various applications such as tanks, electroplating tanks, water reservoirs, fish breeding tanks, flue gas scrubbing systems, and pipelines. The WeldClass 600 is equipped with a brushless drive motor, known for its durability and extended service life. This motor type ensures reliable performance, minimizing the need for maintenance. Additionally, the extruder features a digital interface that enables remote control, enhancing convenience and flexibility during operation. Next up, we have the R Tools CST 1-Eye Cable Stripper, a highly efficient tool designed specifically for removing outer insulation from various types of cables. With its patented design, it's suitable for both unshielded and shielded twisted pair and multi-core cables. Featuring a self-adjusting blade, it effortlessly strips insulation from cables with diameters ranging from 1 by 8 inches to 3 by 8 inches. Whether it's PVC, plenum, or other types of insulation, this tool handles the task quickly and easily, saving time and effort for the user. What sets this cable stripper apart is its ability to safely strip insulation without causing any damage to the inner braids, foils, or conductors of the cables. This ensures that the integrity and functionality of the cables remain intact, making it a reliable choice for professionals in the telecommunications and electrical industries. Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Square are innovative tools that easily provide precise angle measurements. Unlike traditional methods of visually matching marks, these tools allow you to set your adjustable bevel square to a physical reference, ensuring accuracy. The bevel block is particularly useful, offering instant angles for 1 to 7 and 1 to 8 dovetails and miter angles for multiple sides. Its clever geometry ensures that you always have both the 90-degree complement and the 180-degree supplement to each angle. Achieving different angles is as simple as changing the surface against which you hold the bevel square. These tools eliminate the guesswork and provide reliable measurements, making them indispensable for woodworking projects. Bolt biter extraction screwdrivers combine a standard screwdriver's convenience with an impact driver's extraction power. They effortlessly loosen rusted, stripped, or challenging screws. The steel handle and cap transfers impact shock to rotate the heat-treated alloy steel shaft by 12 degrees upon striking. The high-strength tips are rust-resistant and nickel-chrome plated with a non-slip black oxide tip These screwdrivers provide a secure fit in fasteners. The blades are laser etched with part numbers and sizes for quick identification. Bolt biter extraction screwdrivers are a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, delivering exceptional performance when dealing with stubborn screws. Let's wrap up with the OTC Fuel Tank Lock Ring Wrench, a versatile tool designed to fit fuel tank lock rings on various Ford, Chrysler, and GM vehicles. It works effectively on old or newer Ford F-150 trucks and Chrysler minivans, PT Cruisers, Dakota, and Durango models. This tool is specifically designed to facilitate removing and installing the lock ring on the fuel tank during fuel pump or fuel sending unit servicing. It can be easily used with a 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar, ensuring convenience and compatibility with standard tools. With its universal design and functionality, the OTC Wrench 6599 is a reliable and efficient choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working on fuel system maintenance. And by the way, it only weighs around 1.65 pounds, meaning you can easily carry it anywhere. Okay, that was our video of these award-winning tools. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.